Now, think about this personality. Don't think of any of the religions today. And think about this personality. His father was divine. His mother was human. He's considered to be the savior of humanity. Like he died for the sins of people. He had a virgin birth, and his birthday was on December 25th. Okay? And according to their teachings, he was crucified, and he was buried, and he was resurrected. Now, these teachings are long before Jesus, right? Long before Jesus' time. He was resurrected. Okay, and his holy day was the 7th day of the week that they call Sunday. Sunday. Okay, that we now say Sunday. But it was the day of the sun. Because in a sense, he was representing that sun god, that is, coming from the divine of his father. His followers actually, they would take a communion type of thing where they would eat a wafer and with wine, and they would say they would eat his body and drink his blood and whatnot. And this is something which is carried over in the Christian church today. It's not, the Protestants don't do it, but the Catholics and the Anglicans and Episcopalians, they do this communion.